Hello student, today start the second chapter, file management. Then now start is the file management. First we are discussing what is file management. File management means the how to create the files, then how to saving file, how to delete file, how to view the files of folder, either transfer the data from one to another, like copy the file, moving file, delete file, searching file and sorting file. These type of operations are known as file management. Then first we are discussion what is file. File is the primary unit of storage data. Data is the main unit of storage data. Then file can store the data and information. Then every file contains with two names. One is the primary name and the secondary name. Then different types of files. First is the video files, second is audio files, third is image files and text files, etc. Then next is how to use of a file name. File name, first is the use as the primary name, then dot secondary name. Either if you save a file with MS Word, automatically it's dot docx, means it can identify with a group of document file. Same type if you save a file with Excel, dot xls is the group of Excel. Then if a PowerPoint with a save, then is the PPT to PowerPoint file. Then Notepad with a save, then is dot txt. This second name is called extension name or extension of a file name. This is the examples also given in MS Word. Then file name for MS Word document, docx. Docx means document file of MS Word. Same type, different types of file, either types of files. First is the document file. Document file means the files can use with a notepad, either WordPad, are called a document file. If also save the WordPad, can use the extension is txt, then notepad txt, MS Word doc, either docx. This is the document file, which file with only save the data. Same type, other type of files is audio files. The file contain the record of sounds, dialogues, music or any kind of audio are called audio files. That file name is MP3 and MP4 are is the most common use of audio files. Same type, video files. The files contain video and audio. That files are called audio files. The audio files can format with AVI and MOV. MOV means movie. This is the most common format for video files. Then third is image file. What is image file? The file with can store the picture are called image file. Suppose if a file with saving with a photo, any type of photo, your camera, either mobile phone or any other gadget to allow use with a photo, that photo or picture stored in the files are known as image files. Okay, then with some other image files extension is JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF are the common formats for this the picture, or the another is BMP, bitmap image files, also picture create in the Paint. BMP picture create in Paint. But if you use of a mobile phone, either camera, then extension is JPG or GIF. These are different type of files. First is audio files, only store the sounds and recording of sounds, then MP3, MP4, then video files, contents with pictures, either video and audio and video. Then these files are AVI and MOV. Then next is image with can store the picture of a mobile or a camera phone. This second extension content with JPG, JPEG or GIF and with BMP only create with a paint picture. Then same type is document means the file with a save the text are called a document file. Then this file can create with the using of MS Word or Microsoft Word. Then extension is DOCX, either you can use Notepad, either with a WordPad. This file is called document file. Next is some other type of files. Other type of file means zip file and is the RAW file. Zip means suppose more of files combined in one place are called a zip file. This extension is zip. Zip and RAW software compress and locates the files in a zip folder so that they can take less space than the user. This is more of files set in a one file for less of space. This is called zip or RAW. The next is exe file. Exe file means if one file set extension is exe file are called executable files. Executable file means the softwares can automatically run or software applications can directly run are called executable files. Okay, suppose if you double click on MS Word, that is automatically open. If open means this extension is exe. Exe means that application can automatically open. Then some games or installable files come in the exe format. Then if you set in the files or download the files or use the files, only double click on the files, automatically it run any exe file. Then next is HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. The files can create with the HTML are called HTML files. Then with the using of these files, developing of websites. Then some different of audio files, MP3, MP4, AAC, WA, OGG, WAV, PCM, FLS. These are all is the extension of audio files. Same type video files, extension is MP4, MOV, AIV, MPG, WAV, MKV, EV, MTS. This all is the extension of audio files. The next is this type of extension of image file. First is .jpg, then .png, .tif, .gif, .bmp, .pst. This type of extension means categories of image file. Same type, this type of extension of document files. Document file extension is first DOCX for MS Word, then with PPT, PowerPoint, then XLS with Excel file, same type PDF, .pdf, .txt, .rtf, .csv. These are some document files. The next is some others. Others is .zip, .rar, .dmg, .exe, .html, .php. These are some other categories of files. Okay, these are different files of extension. But is the main is audio file is MP3 and MP4, but video file is MOV, image file is JPG, document is DOCX, and other is G. This 5 is the main important, and some other categories of files. Yes, file name extension .doc, word processing document. If you save with the file in Microsoft Word, then it's the .doc. In 2003 version means only .doc. But if you save a file with a Microsoft Word 2007, then its extension is .docs. Same type if you save with a file in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Work Spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel .slr or XLS, then the same type. Suppose if you save with the database software is Microsoft Access with you can save, then extension is automatically save .mdb. Same type PowerPoint presentation, then if you save a file with a Microsoft PowerPoint, then is the extension is .ppt. Then is portable document format, then you can save with a about reader, then is the .pdf, internet formats file is PDF. Then is any program that can read text document, that the text is .rtf. Same type of text, any program that can read in the text document, or is the notepad, if notepad save with .txt. Same type hypertext markup language window, the web page .htm or extension is HTML. Same type is the bitmap image. Bitmap image means Windows Paint program. Windows Paint program with you can save, then .bmp. That bitmap image with a computerized file WinZip with you save, that is the .gif. These are different file extension how to create. Here is explained, then you can see briefly. MS Word with save, which type of extension, MS Excel with save, which type of extension, if SS with save, which type of extension, if PowerPoint save with which type of extension. Here it's clearly given, then you can clarify this, which type of file save with which type of extension is created. Is the file path. First is the discussion is the extension of file, then how to create with the file and the different types of file, which type of file with which type of extension. Now is the discussion file path. What is file path? File path means the file where is a location or where is a present, where is a it present to find out, that is called the file path. A file path is formatted from the drive then till the last location where it is present. This type of you can find the file location are called file path. File path contains is the first is the drive, then is the primary folder, which folder with the main folder, then is subfolder, then is the file name, then its extension. This is the source of file path. First this is the C is the drive of hard disk. Then is second is the folder, which folder with it contain. Here is given as suppose is the one name. Then is third is the subfolder. Then is the file name. then file extension. If you can search also file in the computer, first always display with the which drive with it can save, second with a which folder with a save, then it's a subfolder name, then is the file name. This is the location of the present file are called file path. Then drive is a represent the medium which is the store and read the data. Different types of drives where also discussion is the storage device. First is the hard disk, CD and DVD. CD and DVD. Then for example hard disk is a drive which can be represented by the C drive. Hard disk is in every computer must be the contains with the C. Then is other drive is maybe D. Okay. Then same type is the CD, either DVD. Then the hard disk memory can be portion and two or more drives can be represent the hard disk drive. Either hard disk can separate with the only C, either with the C, either D. C is the first drive, D is the second drive. Both is the representing a hard disk. This hard disk suppose is a 500 GB hard disk. Then is the 250 GB divided with the C. Another 250 GB is the divided with the D. Either 1 TB hard disk. Suppose is the 500 GB is the with the C and another 500 GB is the suppose D. Same type 2 TB hard disk means is the suppose is the 1 TB is divided with the C, another 1 TB is divided with the D. This type of separate also hard disk. Then hard disk can divide with the 2, either also more, either C and D. Same type CD and DVD or pen drive is also inserted in the computer. To another drive icon is appears in the file explorer, either my computer. Then it could be represent if a hard disk is C and D, then is a CD drive is E and a DVD drive is F and pen drive is H. Suppose this hard disk is divided with the CD, then next drive is a CD, CD is E, next is a DVD drive is F, again pen drive means H. This type also automatically display in the my computer or other drive icons in the file explorer. If open explorer, first is the suppose hard disk is divided with the 2, then display hard disk is signed with the C and D, then CD symbols with the E, DVD symbols with the F, pen drive with the display with the H drive. This type you can find the different drives of the computer. C is the common drive of hard disk. Then if not D, then CD also represent with the D. Only one drive with the hard disk, then is D is represent with also CD. Then if hard disk is 2, then is next is E. Okay, this type is the can drives are find out. Then a folder can be created inside also drive or memory. Folder means what? Folder is the main box of the computer or memory. It can store the file. A folder can be created inside a drive or memory, and the folder can contain subfolder. Folder with also can create the another folder unknown as subfolder and also can write. The subfolder can also further contain the subfolder or files. File is the save with a folder, either can save with also subfolder. Okay. The next is some viewing of files. Suppose if you save the files, then how to view the files? How to view files or folder you can view in the menu way. One is the large size, medium size, small size, extra large type. Either you can view the files with the list. List means display the order format, then details format, then tails formats, then content formats. Then first is the large, medium, small and extra large icons. Then if large size means the file icons are displayed with very large size. It like the list and tail view and the different size of icon. Small means small format display, large means very large, extra large means very high large with the display. Then list means list of the files just with the name one under the others. List means first is suppose it's a main file under with the other files. Same type details, list the name of the files with the date which it was the last modified. Details means which date with the save and which date with the modify. Then type of files and its size and how many kilobytes are used in the files, that is the details with can show. Details means first is the save name, a save date, again last modified date, then type of files, it is which type of files, and the size means in kilobyte, how many kilobytes are used in the files. Then tells list of files name adjust in each other in a row. Then shifts of the next row when many files and subfolders are. Then contents, it lists the file along with the author name, then with the size and the date of modified and different views. These are different view. You can see the files in this format. You can use with a larger, smaller, extra large. Either you can list with, you can show the files. Either you can details with see the files. Either you can titles with see the files. Either you can see the content with the files. Okay. Then here is the list of views. List of views means display this type of data in the computer. Then title views, display this type of formats in the computer. Then this is the contents view. Contents view means first is file name, then date of modification, and with how many bytes are used and display. Okay, these are some examples are given. What is the list of a view? What is the list of title view? What is the list of contents view? Okay, then next class your start is file operation.